first we're going to prepare our cutting surface with some lemon juice. Get rid of any soap or residue. And then we're going to add some veggies. Of course, no sandwich is complete without cucumber. That looks good, huh? Yeah, all right. What else we got? Obviously, no sandwich is going to be tasty and rocking the house without onions. You may lose a few friends and discourage people from wanting to get real close to you, but you'll be happy. So how's that? A little bit of onions. That's good. What else? How about some fresh spinach that we put in a plastic bag with some paper towel to absorb some of the moisture? That looks good, right? What else can we do? Aha! Green pepper. We have to do green pepper. And of course, I'm going to use the same method. Clean our green pepper with some lemon juice. And chop that up a little bit. Make some nice thin slices for our incredibly nutritious and delicious plant sandwich that we're going to make. I have a secret ingredient that I like to add to my sandwiches. Some apples. Adds a little sweetness. Anything you can do with seasonings and fruit, since you're not using all of the other sauces and mayonnaise and mustards and ketchups and all the other things that everyone else uses. You want to use food and seasonings to add flavor to your food, and that makes it incredibly delicious and much more fun. What else? Of course, we're going to do Ezekiel English muffins. Love the sprouted grain muffins. Ingredients are incredible. Got all kinds of sprouted grains in there. It's low in sodium, only 80 milligrams. High in fiber, low in fat. And more nutritious for you because it's sprouted than regular grains. And it doesn't have all the other added nonsense that you see in commercially produced breads on the market. Moves a little bit slower through your digestive tract. Reduces insulin blast into your bloodstream. All right, here we go. We should toast this up. What do you think? Yeah, why not? Voila. And now we're going to add our base condiment, raw tahini, sesame seed butter. Look at the ingredients on here. Raw organic sesame seeds. This is a game changer. The reason a lot of people can't stick with the plant diet and going salt, oil, and sugar free is because they feel it lacks flavor and they're used to all of these concentrated salt, oil, and sugar condiments. But when you add whole food condiments like apples, that adds sweetness. Tahini, that adds some fat, but some natural fat that's going to move slow through your system. No added salt, no added oils. Very good for you. Your brain, stomach, your body, and your organs will love you for it. Another thing to increase flavor and deliciousness is balsamic vinegar. So we're going to put a little balsamic vinegar on both pieces of bread. Huh? I bet you want to jump through the screen and chow down on this. Try this yourself and you'll see. This is a very unique way to have what would be a boring vegetable sandwich be something incredibly outrageous that you can't even believe is good for you. So first we put our onions, then we're going to put on our green pepper. Now we're going to put on our cucumbers. Layer that nicely. Look at all these different colors. Green, red, green. We're going to add our apples. Now we're going to put on our spinach. More seasonings. Cayenne pepper. My special blend Italian seasonings. I have basil, fennel, and garlic. Look at that. Smell. Delectable. Very good. Now, what we're going to do, let's add a little bit more vinegar. Now we're going to sandwich this together. Cut it in half. Now we're just about ready. We're going to add a couple sides to complete our meal. Some black grapes, some raw pistachios, and my homemade orange mango green tea smoothie. Bon appetit and cheers.